Hello everyone, it's time for science and it's dolphin week this week and we are learning all about dolphins. So one thing that we are going to learn about dolphins is that dolphins have great listening underwater. Their ears are very, very strong and they can hear everything. So our science experiment today is going to be all about listening underwater like the dolphins do. Okay, I have my science experiment sheet here for our parents. One thing that needs to be very specific is our cups that we're using to listen underwater have to be glass. So mom and dad, if you're doing this at home with our little ones, just be careful with this glass cup, have hands on it at all times, and also with your butter knife or metal silverware, because this, we don't want any accidents to happen. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We are going to talk about the 4 things scientists do. Scientists observe. We use our eyes to see what's happening and what we need. We then, as scientists, predict. Predicting means we're using our smart brains to take a guess. What do you think is going to happen? Then we explore, we do the experiment. We use our eyes, our ears, our nose, sometimes our mouth, and our hands. Then all scientists check their answers. We check our prediction and see was what we predicted and what happened the same or different. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to open my science book. Oopsie, my binder clips were opened. All right. I opened my science book and the first thing we're going to do is observe. What do we need? First, I see 2 cups. 2 cups, 1, 2. So I'm going to use my marker and I'm going to find my glasses. Then I see water. My water is in my cup. See the water in the cup? So we can mark off water. I got my water from the sink. Next, I see a butter knife. You don't have to use a butter knife. You can use a metal spoon or a fork, whatever is easiest for you. A butter knife. All right. Next, scientists predict. What will it do? When we stick our ear in our cup, like the dolphins do, to listen underwater, do you think our sounds are going to be loud or quiet? I don't know. I feel like water in my ear. I won't be able to hear anything. That's going to plug my ear up maybe and I won't be able to hear. So Ms. Kyle's going to predict quiet. What's your prediction? Go ahead and make your prediction in your book now. Even if you're not doing it at home, you can follow this video and still make a prediction. Let's turn the page. Our next step is to explore. We're going to see, hear, and smell today. We are not going to feel and we are not going to taste. So let's do our experiment. Step number 1 is to take our 2 glasses, 1, 2. We're going to leave 1 glass with no water, empty. And then we're going to fill the other glass all the way to the top. We need to make sure that we can fit our ear in the cup and that our ear is going to be in the water. So let's make sure that we have our water glass filled all the way to the top. Okay, next we're going to take our empty glass. So first, we're going to put our ear in the glass. Mom and dad, you can hold the glass up to their ear if they'll allow it. You can show them how to do it first. Keep it on the table, hold it, put your ear up, or you can hold this empty one up to their ear like this. Next, mom and dad, we're going to take our metal silverware and Tap the glass. What do you hear? Okay, I hear tapping. I do. But now it's time to take our ear and put it in the water of the other glass. I am going to keep this on the table and put my ear in the water. And I'm going to take my knife and tap, tap, tap. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try one more time. Give it a tap in the water. Oh my goodness. I have my towel. I'm gonna dry my ear off. When we tap it inside the water, wow, it is loud. I wish that you could hear this. It is loud. Tap, tap, tap inside the water got loud. So as scientists were checking, what did it do? It was loud in the water because the sound travels faster through water. Sound travels so fast through water, which is why dolphins can hear so much louder underwater. They can hear you coming. They can hear their food. They can hear boats. They can hear other animals coming. So we as scientists just learned how dolphins can hear much louder underwater. As scientists, we're going to check our reflections. We know that Miss Kyle predicted that I thought it was going to be quiet. I was not going to be able to hear underwater. So I'm going to glue. Miss Kyle's prediction was quiet. But what really happened, it was loud. Ooh, loud underwater. It was loud. So when I predict and what I checked, quiet and loud, are they the same or different? They're different. They're different. Good job. All right, science is all done. Everybody have a happy Wednesday. Bye.